Animal bones show how life evolved and how animals have changed and improved over time. Some skeletons evoke awe, fascination, and even dread. In this video, we go on a journey through the world of the most disturbing animal skeletons. We look at their eerie and unsettling features. The Ii. Our journey begins with the Ii, a primate that lives in the dense forests of Madagascar. The Ii looks strange when it's alive because of its big, bright eyes, bat-like ears, and long fingers. But when you look closer at its skeletal remains, you can see how eerie it is. The most striking feature of the Ii's skeleton is undoubtedly its stretched middle finger, which is significantly longer than its other digits. This adaptation serves a practical purpose in the Ii's eating behavior, allowing it to extract grubs and insects from tree bark with unparalleled precision. However, in skeletal form, this long finger takes on a sinister quality, resembling a bony appendage more suited to a creature of myth or nightmare than a product of natural selection. Moreover, the Ii's skeletal structure as a whole possesses a certain otherworldly quality, with its exaggerated features and long proportions lending it an almost surreal appearance. When confronted with the skeletal remains of an Ii, one cannot help but feel a sense of unease, as if peering into the depths of some ancient primordial forest where reality blurs with fantasy. The platypus. Venturing to the distant shores of Australia, we encounter another enigmatic creature with a skeleton that defies typical expectations, the platypus. Often referred to as a living fossil due to its unique combination of mammalian, avian, and reptilian features. The platypus is a testament to the evolutionary brilliance of nature. However, it is when we examine its skeletal remains that we truly begin to appreciate the extent of its strangeness. The most unsettling aspect of the platypus skeleton is undoubtedly its beak-like structure, reminiscent of a duck's bill. Unlike most mammals, which possess traditional jaws and teeth, the platypus employs a keratinous beak to locate and capture its aquatic prey. In skeletal form, this beak takes on a macabre quality, resembling the jaws of some prehistoric creature preserved in the fossil record. Additionally, the platypus possesses venomous spurs on its hind legs, a feature absent in most mammals. While not visible in the skeleton itself, the knowledge that this seemingly harmless creature harbors such a potent defense mechanism adds to the unsettling nature of its remains. Combined with its beak-like structure and webbed feet, the platypus skeleton serves as a stark reminder of the myriad ways in which evolution can produce truly bizarre and unsettling forms. The star-nosed mole. Turning our attention to the subterranean realm, we encounter a creature whose skeletal remains are as unsettling as they are fascinating. The star-nosed mole. Named for the distinctive star-shaped appendage on its snout, the star-nosed mole is a master of subterranean navigation and prey detection. However, it is when we examine its skeletal structure that we begin to appreciate the full extent of its bizarre adaptations. The most disturbing aspect of the star-nosed mole's skeleton is its nasal bones, which are long and adorned with numerous small projections resembling the tentacles of some Lovecraftian horror. These projections are actually comprised of fleshy appendages studded with over 25,000 sensory receptors, allowing the mole to detect and identify prey with unparalleled speed and accuracy. In skeletal form, this bundle of sensory appendages takes on a nightmarish quality, evoking images of some creepy creature lurking in the depths of the earth. Combined with the mole's small, squinting eyes and powerful digging claws, its skeletal remains paint a picture of a creature uniquely adapted to its subterranean habitat, yet possessing a disquieting aura that is hard to ignore. The Goblin Shark. Descending to the darkest depths of the ocean, we encounter a creature that embodies the very essence of nightmare, the Goblin Shark. With its protrusible jaws, long snout, and rows of needle-like teeth, the Goblin Shark is a formidable predator of the deep. However, it is when we examine its skeletal structure that we begin to understand the true extent of its predatory prowess. The most unsettling aspect of the Goblin Shark's skeleton is undoubtedly its jaw structure. Unlike most sharks, which possess rigid jaws, the Goblin Shark's jaws can extend forward to grasp prey with alarming speed and precision. In skeletal form, this adaptation takes on a nightmarish quality, resembling a set of skeletal jaws more suited to a creature of myth than a denizen of the deep. Moreover, the Goblin Shark's skeletal remains possess a certain primordial aura, evoking images of ancient sea monsters lurking in the depths of the abyss. Combined with its ghostly pale skin and lifeless black eyes, its skeletal form is a chilling reminder of the mysteries that lie beneath the surface of the ocean, waiting to be unveiled by intrepid explorers. The Babirusa. Our journey through the realm of unsettling animal skeletons concludes with a creature that embodies the strangest and the weirdest, the Babirusa. Native to the islands of Indonesia, the Babirusa is a pig-like creature known for its peculiar tusks, which grow upwards from its snout and curve back towards its forehead. While alive, these tusks serve various functions, including defense, mating displays, and rooting for food. However, it is when we examine its skeletal remains that we truly begin to appreciate the extent of its strangeness. The most disturbing aspect of the Babirusa's skeleton is undoubtedly its tusks, which can become so long that they penetrate the animal's skull, resulting in an absurd and unsettling appearance. In skeletal form, these tusks take on a nightmarish quality, resembling the horns of some infernal beast, rather than the appendages of a humble mammal. Combined with the Babirusa's stocky physique and shaggy coat, its skeletal remains paint a picture of a creature uniquely adapted to its tropical habitat, yet possessing a disquieting aura that is hard to ignore. When confronted with the skeletal remains of a Babirusa, one cannot help but feel a sense of unease, as if peering into the abyss of some primordial nightmare. In conclusion, the world of animal skeletons is a realm of wonder and fascination, yet it also harbors some of the most unsettling specimens that nature has to offer. From the elongated finger of the eye to the nightmarish jaws of the Goblin Shark, these were 5 examples of animals that have the worst skeletons ever.